And thanks for joining us here on Valley News Live 10 at 10. A soggy look at our southern Fargo Valley sky cam at this time. Seeing some wet roadways there, still some light rainfall falling in the metro, and we still have probably some standing water on some roadways out there at this time. As I said at the top of the hour, here is the picture of the tornado in the Maddock area. So we saw a lot of funnel clouds today, especially around the lunchtime hour near Devil's Lake, but they didn't have enough of that circulation at the lower part of the atmosphere to make it all the way to the ground. This is the only circulation funnel cloud that did indeed make it all the way to the ground in the Maddock area, but this is just a land spout tornado and was a fairly short storm, only about 10 or 12,000 feet high in elevation. So you can see that there's not really big structure with this particular cell. It is just that that funnel cloud and eventually tornado falling from that cell there. Thanks, Amber, for uploading this one to our Facebook page. We appreciated all the funnel videos and pictures we got today. So here's how things look right now. Still seeing that first wave of rainfall moving into Minnesota, and then we have a second wave moving in through our western neighborhoods, the Devil's Lake Basin, down through Stutzman County as well. But where we did have a funnel cloud reported at the 9 o'clock hour was in the Hankinson area from this particular cell. Notice how that has, again, moved into Minnesota. Seeing some moderate rainfall now in Fergus Falls, some heavy rainfall in Wahpeton, Breckenridge at this time. Not too much lightning and thunder with this, but could hear some rumbles of thunder in the Wahpeton, Breckenridge area here as we go through our Monday evening. You can see in the Fargo-Moorhead area, just some light rainfall at this time. The heaviest rainfall we have, even some small hail, is outside of Jamestown, heading toward Valley City. You can see kind of that pink there, which does indicate some hail is being detected on the radar. This heavier rain goes from Cooperstown through Wimbledon and down toward the Montpelier area as well. So again, could see some small hail right along the I-94 corridor as that heads toward Valley City. But if there's no hail, there's going to be heavy rainfall with this, so could see some localized flooding in some locations there. Devil's Lake, we do have some moderate to heavy rainfall just south of town and just outside New Rockford. So that's another spot where we're just seeing no lightning, but there is still some heavy rainfall occurring, and we still could see some funnel clouds, though it is dark as we go through the rest of our Monday evening. So temperatures in the 60s and 70s, 72 in Fergus Falls as the warm spot. Here's how things look in Fargo, 65 degrees, a rain-cooled 65 degrees, and of course with the rain falling, 90% is that relative humidity, 68 degrees for our friends in Moorhead. Here we go. The hour by hour for the rest of the night shows that rainfall continuing to push into Minnesota. But again, we do have that second batch down through the Devil's Lake Basin and Valley City, Lisbon areas as well. At around 2 o'clock, that heavier rainfall looks to move through the Southern Valley and into Minnesota. And again, could be some localized flooding with this as these storms roll through slowly in the overnight hours tonight. Go 7:30 a.m., 50s and 60s to start the day. Still some lingering rain showers, mainly in Minnesota. Things do look to improve for our friends in North Dakota as we go through the afternoon. Do expect some sunshine to join us in a few spots there tomorrow afternoon, but with the sunshine and some humidity, could see a pop-up shower or storm here or there, but I expect them to be hit or miss as we go through Tuesday. And then, of course, once that sun sets, we lose those showers and storms. And then for Wednesday, things will dry out nicely. Plenty of sunshine there, around 80 for Wednesday. The heat then returns with a vengeance, you could say, back in those low 90s, but the humidity, Andrea, will be back. Overnight lows only in the 70s, and with that, could get some pop-up showers and storms as we go into the weekend.
All right, thanks, Nathan. Still ahead tonight.